Hi everyone, I'm Maximilian Prüfer. I'm an artist from Germany. I work a lot with different kind of new techniques that I invented. For example, the Naturantypie. It's a very sensitive coating on paper, and everything that touches the surface leaves a trace. I work a lot with ants and rain and snails. And my topic is to make invisible things visible, and your task would be to look around in your environment to see what you can't see, what you can't smell, what you can't hear, things that are invisible, and try to find a way to make it visible. Hope you have a lot of fun, and bye bye.